The police have implemented measures to prevent a doctor accused of raping a teenager from fleeing the country. The doctor, based in Portmore, St. Catherine, is said to be hiding since the matter was reported. The police confirmed receiving a report from the child, her mother, and a friend, but additional information is needed.
At this time, after we have analyzed the statement from the child who is the victim, it is our opinion that we need some other information to prosecute this matter. So we've been trying since Monday to contact the mother so that we can have this statement taken. This morning, I received a call from the mother. I explained to her our concern, and she informed me that she will call me and tell me when she will be able to bring the child in.
Acting head of the St. Catherine South Police, Superintendent Rex Swearing, was giving an update at a meeting of the Portmore Municipal Corporation. He said an official statement is critical to the case. Earlier this week, the mother of the child accused the police of tipping off the medical doctor.
The police have taken all the steps necessary to ensure that the suspect does not leave the island through any legal means. So the airports and the seaports, we have put a watch on those areas, and if the suspect tries to leave the island through those ports, he will be